This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Display Settings, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once the window appears, look at Rearrange your displays to confirm both screens show as tiles. Click the tile for the monitor you want to remove so Windows targets the correct device. Make sure the chosen tile highlights as 1 or 2. This tells you which physical monitor Windows recognizes. If you see duplicate tiles, stop and verify cables. Otherwise, continue to the next step to change display roles and disconnect. Once you've selected the monitor tile, open multiple displays and pick Show Only on One or disconnect this display to remove it from the active desktop. You do this because Windows stops sending the desktop to that output. You're not deleting drivers yet. If Identify shows swapped numbers, rearrange tiles before applying to avoid removing the wrong screen. Click Apply and watch Windows reassign windows and taskbar. If prompted, confirm within 15 seconds so the change stays. Proceed to cleanup if removal succeeded. To finish, open Device Manager and expand monitors. If the removed unit still lists, right-click and uninstall device, then reboot so Windows refreshes hardware. You do this when software persistently detects a disconnected screen. If the monitor returns after restart, make sure cables and adapters are unplugged and check your GPU control panel for forced multi-monitor profiles. If problems persist, update or roll back the display driver. One key troubleshooting tip: disconnect the physical cable first, then repeat the display settings steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.